Artificial intelligence didn't just learn to answer questions, it learned to think, plan, and act. What if AI could make decisions on its own, collaborate with other AIs, and execute complex goals without human instructions? Welcome to the era of agentic AI. In this video, we'll explore how AI evolved from simple tools to autonomous agents shaping the future of work, software, and intelligence itself. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, this is where it begins. Welcome to Solaris Academy, where the future is learned, not guessed.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how we're teaching machines not just to answer, but to actually, well, to think. So let's start with a puzzle you've probably run into yourself. Why can an AI write this incredible, beautiful poem, but then completely fail at a simple math problem? It can be brilliant and bafflingly dumb, sometimes in the exact same minute. And this is the paradox that's been driving researchers crazy. Okay, look at this. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. The AI sees the numbers 4 and 6 and just multiplies them. Easy, right? But it totally misses the crucial piece of real-world knowledge, that a foot has 12 inches. It's just matching a pattern, not actually understanding the problem. And this is the key issue. It gives us an answer, but we have no clue how it got there, which means we can't fix its broken thinking. This led to the first big breakthrough, and the idea was actually super simple, something we all learned in school. Show your work. Seriously, what if, instead of just demanding a final answer from the AI, we made it explain its thinking step by step? Okay, so this method is called chain of thought, and it's as elegant as it sounds. The big idea is to stop asking for just the final answer. Instead, you prompt the AI to, well, think out loud, to break the problem down into a series of logical steps, just like a person would. So instead of just throwing a problem like this at the AI and asking for the number, you give it a little nudge. You add a simple but powerful instruction, something like, first, explain the steps you'll take to find the answer. And bam, look at the difference. By forcing the AI to break the problem down, first figure out how many new balls there are, then add them to what Roger already had, its ability to solve these multi-step problems just skyrocketed. It wasn't just guessing based on patterns anymore, it was actually reasoning. But you know, there was still a huge vulnerability here. A chain of thought is only as good as the facts it starts with. So what happens if the AI's internal knowledge is just plain wrong or outdated? It could build a perfect, logical argument on a foundation of complete nonsense. This is what people call hallucination, and it was a major roadblock. So this is where the next evolution comes in. To solve this hallucination problem, researchers realized the AI didn't just need a better brain, it needed arms and legs, a way to reach out and interact with the world to check its facts. And this brings us to a framework called REACT. It stands for Reason and Act, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. The idea is to weave together the AI's internal thoughts with actions it can take in the real world, like using a tool. It's not just thinking in a vacuum anymore, it can actually do stuff. So here's how it works. It's basically a loop. The AI has a thought, something like, I need to find out more about this. That thought triggers an action, maybe searching Wikipedia. Then it gets an observation back, the search results. And that new information informs its next thought. It's this beautiful, simple cycle. Thought, action, observation, thought, over and over. Now this comparison really shows you the power of REACT. On the left, you've got the old chain of thought method, just confidently spouting an answer based on old stored data. But look at the REACT model on the right. It has a moment of doubt. It thinks, I should check this. Then it acts by doing a search, gets new info, and then corrects its own reasoning to find the right answer. This is huge. It's the difference between a know-it-all and an actual learner. And the numbers? They speak for themselves. On really tough decision-making tasks, REACT didn't just do a little better. It more than doubled the success rate of the older methods. We're talking a jump from 34% to 71%. I mean, that's just a massive, massive leap. And here's why this matters so much to all of us. It's not just about getting the right answer. It's about building AIs that we can actually trust. For the first time, we can see its whole process, not just its reasoning, but also the real-world sources it checked to get there. It gives us a trail of breadcrumbs we can follow. So, where does this all leave us?
What does this incredible rapid evolution tell us about the future of how AI thinks? So let's recap the journey, right? We've gone from just getting an answer to an AI that shows its work, to one that shows its work and checks its facts. Each step is a huge jump, but there might be one more step on the horizon. And that next frontier is self-reflection. We're talking about teaching AI to critique its own reasoning, to look back at a failed attempt and think, you know what, that didn't work. My logic was flawed right there. Next time, I'm gonna try something different, all on its own, without a human telling it what to do. It's about building an AI that can actually learn from its own mistakes. So, think about it. When you put all of these pieces together, an AI that can reason, that can act on the world, and that can reflect on its own performance to get better, what you're left with is a pretty profound question. We're not just building a better calculator or search engine anymore. So if an AI can do all that, what can't it learn to do?
Agentic AI is not a distant future. It's already shaping how software is built, how decisions are made, and how work gets done. The question isn't if this change will happen, it's whether you'll be ready for it. If this video helped you understand the evolution of agentic AI, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to learn AI the right way, step-by-step, practical, and future-ready, subscribe to Soloris Academy, because the future belongs to those who learn it early.